Now that you have created a TestNG project, so in a TestNG project there will be multiple classes in which there can be multiple @test methods. Now what I want to do, I want to run multiple classes together. That is, I want to run admin test and shop test both together. So for that, what we have to do, we have to create a test suite. So test suite is a combination of multiple tests which run together. To create a test suite in Eclipse, we have to select the project folder, right click on the project folder, go to the TestNG, and then select convert to TestNG. When you select convert to TestNG, it will create a testng.xml file. Just click on finish and a testng.xml file will be created. Now you have to copy this testng.xml file and keep it inside src test resources. Right click and paste it over here. So you have to keep this testng.xml file in your resources and you can remove it from here. This testng.xml file is a test suite. So it's a suite. You can give the name of this test. For example, test number 21, any name, and these are the classes which run together. You can set the order, that is, I want to run the admin test first. So you have to keep it before the shop test. So in that way, what you can do, you can create a test suite. And now when I save it and run it, so now instead of individually running the Java program, if you individually run it, then only this individual will work. But when I run this testng.xml, so select this testng.xml, right click on it and run as TestNG suite. So when you run it as a TestNG suite, so all the combination of the classes will run together. Now you see over here, 4 tests are running: login, sign in, delivery, order. All the 4 tests are running together. Same thing if you are doing in your Intellij. So again, in your src test Java, you can create a package by the name of core. So I'm just copying it from my Eclipse editor. Go to src test Java. So I'm just pasting it, but you can create it. So I have again same package core, and again I have this page.java in which I have written the annotations. Similarly, I am just copying the test cases and inside the src test Java, I am pasting it. You have to create it. I am just pasting it. So these are 2 packages, core, and I have a page.java, and in test cases again I have these 2 test cases. You can run them individually. If you run them individually, select the admin test, current file, or shop test, current file. Or you can here you can create this testng.xml like this. Same. Right click on your project folder and here create testng.xml. but you will get this option only when the plugin is added. As we have discussed, plugin. So you have to add the plugin first. Then only you will get this option. It has created, where it has created. Actually, there is no option for refresh over here. Let me check. It is created at C users Parag Saxena idea project TestNG examples only TestNG.xml. So you can check over here. It has created here only. Visible, so I have to refresh it. Refresh option. Let me check. Let's see. Reload from the disk. Here it is. Reload from the disk. So I will do it. Reload from the disk. Where it has been created. Here it is. It is in front of the eyes, but we are not able to. This is TestNG.xml. It has created this same over here. You can take it to the next line for the better visibility. Like this. This is the source file again it has created, in which it has added the methods with a class name, page, admin test, shop test. Okay. So now again you can save all, and this is the current file which you can run. So this TestNG.xml file will execute. It is building, and now it is running. So you can see same output you are getting over here. 4 tests are running, and you can see that delivery, order, sign in, and login method. So little bit approach is changing in Eclipse and Intellij. That's why I'm showing it on both the IDs. Okay, so in Eclipse you can, but in both the cases you have to add the plugin. Then only you'll find this option. So in Eclipse, what you have to do, you have to right click and TestNG convert to TestNG, and here in Intellij you have to go to right click and create the TestNG.xml, and then you can run it. You can, if you want to copy it and paste this TestNG.xml, if you want to copy and paste it inside SRC test resources, you can again take it to the resources. So you can also keep this file in the resources also. Like we have in here, we have copied it to the resources. Okay. So